In this video, I'm going to show how to add a PDF file to a blog post. It's going to be nice and simple. You can see here on the screen I'm at Somerville Bakery, which is a test site that I use for demonstration purposes and trying out plugins and all those kind of good things. And I've got just a sample blog post, just some dummy text in here. And I have a line here all set up to go that says, here's a PDF that explains how to do that. So at this point, I'm just going to put a link to that PDF. And the way we do this is going to be similar to how we add media, an image, a document, etc. So I'm simply going to come up here to the Add Media button, click on that, and right now you can see we're on the Upload Files. If I click on the Media Library, this will be where all the images and documents and things that are in the Media Library, we'd see these. If I have a PDF file here that's already uploaded, I could simply select it. For example, if this was it, and then say Insert into Post. However, at this point, I don't have it. So I need to go to the Upload Files tab. I'm going to select the file. And I know I have this on my desktop. So if I go to desktop, I can find, here we go. Here it is, my Super Duper Doc, which is a PDF. And I'm going to click on Open. Now I'm going to uncheck this image that I just clicked before as a sample, and you can see we have my Super Duper Doc is selected. I've got the check mark there. So in the lower right hand corner it says Insert into Post. I click on that and voila! Now we have a link here to my Super Duper Doc. If we preview this, I'll click on the preview button. Let's test this out, see how this looks. Okay, so we have our Super Duper Doc link here. When I click on this, it opens up my Super Duper Doc, which is just a dummy PDF, but we can see it is a PDF. Now, if you noticed, let me click back. Here we are on the preview. When I click on it, it opens it up in the same window. Usually for a PDF, I like to open it in another window, so this way when somebody comes here and they download it over here using this button up here, or they're finished with this. Notice when I close this, we lose the actual preview that we were looking at. So to change that, I'm simply going to come back to, while I'm editing it, I'm going to click on the link that was added and click on the pencil to edit this. Okay, when I edit it, I really want to go into the link options, the gear. So when we click on that, now I can select the open link in a new tab and click on update. Okay. So you notice we just have the one tab open up here in the browser. When I preview it, okay, as a preview, it opens it up automatically in another browser tab. When I scroll down, and now when I click on my link, you can see it just opened it up in a brand new window. So this way, when the person is finished reading this or downloading it or doing whatever they need to do, when they close it, the original page will be shown. Alright, so once this is all done, I can close my preview and I would simply just publish it. Now this is also the same way that if you wanted to add a, here is a Word doc. I can go into Add Media, I can upload a file, select the file, and if I have a Word doc, do I have a Word doc? I don't have, let's go to Documents. Here we go, Weekly Maintenance. I can select that. You can see it's a DOCX, a Word doc. Upload it. Now this is on the website, same thing, insert it into the post, and we have that as well. Okay. For good practices, what I'll do, I'm going to click on it, I'm going to edit it, go into the options, and open it in a new tab. Now generally speaking, for most people, a PDF file will open up and display in the browser just like we saw. When somebody goes to the website and they try to get this Word doc file, click on it, you notice the open tab flashed real quickly, but in the lower right hand corner you can see, because I'm using Chrome, it downloaded that document. Okay, most browsers don't have that link there to say, oh, when you have a link to a Word doc, display it in the browser. So if the browser doesn't know how to display something, in this case the Word doc, it will simply download it as well. All right, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.